she in Trainwreck?
Amy Schumer.
Because you know what? Amy Schumer better watch her shit because Aunt Dorothy's moving over, baby. On the next Amy Schumer.
What's up? Is it coffee?
Right now.
I may know people. I'm the next mayor of freaking Horning Township.
Wow. Is that a real place?
It is a real place.
And I am running for mayor in a couple of years, so I gotta be good.
That's all right. That's all
I'll
good.
take care of it then.
Tell you what, I want to be your campaign manager.
I don't want to be involved in
You're sure to be. I'll be all in for that one.
Hey, would you like a bite of a muffin?
Give her a bite of the muffin. He doesn't want it?
What's that smell? I smell something weird since your friend walked by.
It smells like pussy!
I feel so funky.
No, but I'm not kidding. I actually smell that too. It's kind of gross.
You don't need your diapers changed. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's me. That was mean. That was mean to say I didn't need his diapers changed.
She's just upset because I
which
haven't given her a last
way
order.
diapers is gonna happen, I guess. One way or the other. Somebody's gonna get some diapers on the nurse now.
No, you're dead white. Look, he's got the ugliest sweater on I ever saw. What's this on your shirt here?
I'm not looking.
Yeah, you're pretty cute. Look, he's cute. He's got it.
Whatever you gotta do, baby.
You're coming
Do
over.
you know this person?
Where do you live, Madison? I'm getting off from Madison.
Oh, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, that's what I'm not doing.
Well, I don't know about it.
I just like we're at a big roach, man. I love this.
Oh my
guy.
God, I can't wait. You want to come back?
Yeah, I'll come back to your house.
You're coming
Yeah, we're
back to my
coming back
house.
and we're gonna party.
We're gonna smoke a joint. We're gonna have the best sex.
No, we're gonna make out.
We're gonna make out.
I'll make out with them. I ain't having sex with them because I'm not the type of
You don't have to justify that to anyone on this car.
I'm not having
Maybe
sex
this
with
guy.
them.
Whatever you gotta do, babe.
I'm a fisherman, and I'm just trolling right now.
That sounds like sex to me.
That hurt my
I don't
feelings.
know. I didn't know all the fisherman lingo.
How's that?
Someone was having sex with somebody, bro. Is that your friend?
Nope. Wish it was.
No, you don't wish it was. Look at this person.
He's the boy. You can't hear him.
He's a cartoon. He just don't know it.
Come back and say hi. Where do you live? About Fort Herpes? You're not in, like,
He's like a question mark.
On
What?
Chad and Chad County.
Yeah, that's coming up next. Right? Yes, no? Or Broad Street, yeah.
I'm getting into it.
Which one were you
Tell my boy, what's your wife? My hand with it.
Newark Penn Station? They may be the light rail still might be running to Newark Broad Street. You know what I'm talking about? You work that out. You look like you could. I mean, you know. I hope you got. I hope you can get it.
Right here, next.
You guys are
If you go, if the girls weren't here, we'd have a lot more fun. I'm telling you. And I'm not talking about the fun that you're having, but if I'd be running my mouth real big.
I can do whatever I want. I'm single.
Hey, babe, you can do whatever you want. But what I'm saying is, if the girls weren't here, I would be in this.
I'd be
running my mouth big time.
I'm being played for these two. Sorry.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, listen, that's why I work out because I care. I work out because I care.
That's the only excuse we got over here.
Okay.
It's getting gross.
I go to the Y.
It's getting gross.
I'm in shape. Feel.
Got a muscle going on there.
Jacked up.
More than that, baby.
Wonder Woman. Those are real too, right?
I'm in shape.
Muffin City.
You got real butt guns and you got real muffins.
Hey, I ride a horse every day, baby. You ain't lived till you ride a beast. You saw my beast, right? You saw my beast.
Yeah, all right.
That's what I ride every day. 5 times a week I ride.
Give me something to ride.
Hey, let me tell you, you don't want to get in between my legs and something that gets me mad, okay?
Talk to him about that.
Well, the question is, are you putting the legs around your waist or are you putting them around their fucking neck?
The legs go around the legs.
I want both.
The legs go around the center.
The waist.
The waist.